Okay, I'm gonna be walking. Okay, wait, I can't even talk. Today's first day of reading break and I'm just really like excited and happy. I got too carried away trying to get ready. My outfit for today, and I have the clip. I need to hurry up and walk to the varsity stadium. I'm gonna be watching my first football game ever in my life. Anyways, better hurry up because it's my friend meeting at 12:50. The game starts at 1. It takes me 30 minutes to get there, but it's already 12:30 right now. I wish my legs were longer. They took our water bottles and I have a really basic hydro flask, so people better not take it. There's a dent at the bottom though, so. Now I want to go fancy castle. I kind of know purple now. Kind Unfortunately, we lost. That was fun.
Certain that I wouldn't last. You are
the library closes at 5. Basically got kicked out. But we're gonna head to Koreatown and have a feast. I'm so excited. Google Maps a bunch of places and I screenshot all the places I wanted to check out. I'm so excited, I'm so excited.
Yeah.
You're the brightest thing in my life.
We chose garlic mayo sauce with teriyaki sauce and it's so good. I'm not really good at describing how good food tastes. I just say it's good. I don't really know what else to describe it. The mozzarella cheese is good. It's not like overly like powering. It's thick. I'm so happy. I'm gonna try this. Ooh, I think it's crunchy. The sauce is not what I expected. Food review. Corn dog, 9 out of 10. It was really good. Spicy rice cake, 5 out of 10. The rice cake itself, crunchy, so it was good, but the sauce was not really good. Sour spicy, but I was expecting sweet spicy. The normal tteokbokki tasted just like McDonald's sweet chili sauce. Now we are heading to our next stop, and also this is very loud. Okay, let's go. No seafood. It better not taste like squid.
Just a little. Oh, that's too little. You want half a Yeah, I know.
So good. Seafood pancake with the seafood.
Good proteins as well.
I'm okay, I don't want squid. We're done all the food. That's not food.
You always turning back around.
Feeling left out from the back, you gotta go. Roll 5 years from now, will this even matter? You hope you don't know where to go. Construction every turn upon the road. Live life thinking why it's going so slow. Looking at the clock, wondering why mama's not home. You waited way too long. You noticing the pattern in your own.
Market's about to close, so we're just gonna eat this outside. Still nice and warm though.
Sometimes it's a past tense. I sleep and wake up when the world ends. Those memories, they so hard to forget.
Really crispy, but inside is like mochi-like. The red bean filling is not overly sweet, but quite rich. Here's the other ones, the custard one. What's up, new angle?
Every day, are we there yet?
Which one do you like better?
For the change, time to get your roller.
I actually a cost your answer.
It's worth the wait. Here comes better days.
I'm not even exaggerating right now. I'm actually genuinely so happy right now. Ever since I moved to Toronto, I've been wanting to come to Koreatown. And I'm finally here after 2 months. I worked hard for this. I'm really full, but I would say it's worth it.
All these thoughts I have in my head got me blinded from the sunset. I'm trying hard to stop the rain, 'cause smiling doesn't.
We got the walnut cakes because they were out of the Korean pancake. 3 flavors in here. Red bean, sweet potato, and then this other one, I don't remember. A 6-piece pack, and we got 2 of each. She said she gave us 1 extra one, so that was really nice of her.
It's all about random gambling.
I don't know which flavor this is, but we will try. Mine's red bean. What's yours?
What is this?
Sweet potato?
Oh, sweet potato. Okay. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What if I pick another flavor? This one. No! I got the same! You got the same flavor! That's what Okay, third attempt. Let's see. Oh, sweet potato!
That's where the hours pass too slow. Leave no time to grow. My favorite things, milk